Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Justfly channel. My name is Jane, I'm the host of this channel, and today we haven't really got that much on Microsoft Flight Simulator news because obviously this is more leading up to iniBuilds A350 coming out in the next couple of weeks, but that will be its own dedicated video. Before we get in though, make sure that you like and subscribe and comment down below what you found interesting about today's video. Let's not waste any time, let's get straight in with it. Kicking off the news with Microsoft Flight Simulator. So during the development live stream, which I did do a recap on just a couple of days ago, Microsoft hoped and intended to release Sim Update 1 for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Now, inside of the latest update via their website, the date was pushed to a sort of new and unknown date. Speaking on the development blog post, the team stated that after carefully reviewing Sim Update 1 beta feedback to ensure the best possible experience for all simmers, we have decided to take a bit more time before its release. Now, whilst this news is very disappointing to all of us as simmers, it was sort of clearly stated inside of the live development update last week that the February the 18th, 2025 date was intended and relied on the team being happy to go ahead with the wider release. Hopefully, we learn a bit more about the update in next week's development blog post. This hopefully will provide us with more insight into what to expect and perhaps a new intended release date for Sim Update 1 for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Now, if you can't wait for that and you can't wait for the update to be out, you can sign up for the beta right now. It won't have the feature of the marketplace, but it will come with all the changes and fixes to expect in the final build. Of course, you'll need to accept the fact that the update is a beta and subject to bugs and other different things that could happen, and you are able to provide feedback directly to Microsoft and Asobo. If you like a video of how to install betas, I will have no problem doing it because it's very quick to do. Just leave that inside the comments and I'll get that done for you in another video. A quick notice from FlightSimLabs. They have released an experimental update for the Airbus A321ceo for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. The new version, which is version 11.0.1.293 update, brings several quality of life fixes and features, including fixing memory issues when the weather radar is active, a new way to set up thrust levers detent via the MacDo options page, and other fixes made known by the community. Now, if you would like to, you could purchase the FlightSimLabs A321ceo for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 from their website for $69.99, and I'll leave that link in the description. Developers over at Echo 19 has previewed its up-and-coming sound package for the Mustang in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 and 2024. The new sound package will support the Airplane Heaven P51D, the Renault expansion in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, and the default one found inside of the 2024 game. There will be new sound effects for buttons, switches, knobs, and along with new immersive flyby sound effects. Now, the video preview that is now shown on screen, bear in mind I have no clue if it has any audio or anything, but if it does have loads of detail along with various different clips of new sound effects. Now, bear in mind there is no exact date of when this will be released, but as always, I'll let you know when that does come out. Navigraph has rolled out a brand new update to their Navigraph chart application, allowing users to see new multiplayer traffic icons on the online networks like VATSIM and IVAO. Although currently released in beta, the team have worked with VATSIM Radar to add 171 unique aircraft icons to represent different aircraft types when using online traffic. Additionally, sim pilots can also see online ATC units with new features enabling the user to quickly have access to sectors and position details just by hovering over them. The latest update also provides smoother performance and reliability with a number of improvements behind the scenes. Users can download the update via the App Store or Google Play or via the desktop application. Users will be prompted to update when that does open on desktop only. Now, this month has been shaping up to be a very hectic and busy month for iniBuilds following the confirmation to their A350 that will be released at the ending of the month. But it doesn't just stop there with aircrafts they're working on. They have worked and put towards building a range of scenery products, including a new enhanced version of Dubai International Airport, which is also known as Oscar Mike Delta Bravo. The new enhanced version brings everything to Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 standards, with all new custom highly detailed ground textures, new interior modeling to Terminal A, and 11 new detailed landmarks. There is now dynamic lighting throughout, hand-placed signage, bespoke taxiway information, and new LODs for optimal performance. Now, if you already own Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020's version, you'll be able to upgrade for £5.99. That is including taxes and VAT. You will need to use the code that is now shown on screen at checkout. Otherwise, new customers can pick up this for around about £21.99, and that does include taxes and VAT. Now, there is something else I need to also add to that pricing. Right now, it is currently at £9.99. That excludes taxes and VAT, but there is 4 different airports that you can buy using that £9.99. You could buy JFK, you could buy Heathrow, you could buy Brisbane, and you could also buy Dubai if you want. Now, all of those do come at the price of £9.99. This sale does end on February the 21st at 11 p.m. UK time. Now, this is only because it is preparing you for the A350, so you have all 4 airports for the A350, so you go backwards and forth to, as those are mainly where hubs are for the iniBuilds A350, if that makes more sense. Anyway, let's move on to the next topic. According to their Facebook page, the scenery team at 29 Palms has started development on their first Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 project, Chania International Airport, also known as Lima Golf Sierra Alpha. This announcement follows a discussion with Aerosoft, who owns the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 version of the airport, in which a decision was made not to upgrade their scenery, but rather to start from scratch in order to get the right levels of detail in the new sim. Chania International Airport serves the city of, you guessed it, Chania. It is a city of Greek island of Crete. The airport serves as a gateway to the western side of Crete, and as a result would make for a wonderful destination for simming. If you're looking to fly to an island getaway, the scenery will have highly detailed 3D objects, an upgraded parking area, detailed terminal interiors, brand new polies and textures, enhancements to the surrounding areas, and additional features still to be revealed. Simmers can expect a release in the summer of this year, with additional Greek island airports to follow along. Now, when more information does come out, I will let you know, and as always, make sure you put that notification bell on and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when this release drops. And the last thing on today is from Orbx. They have recently released their Emerald Airport, also known as Yankee Echo Mike Lima. This is developed by indie developer Rob for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 and 2024. Emerald Airport is a small airport serving the town of Emerald in Central Highlight District of Queensland, Australia. The area of Emerald thrives in minerals and agriculture and has the largest sapphire producing fields in the Southern Hemisphere. The airport is served by Elegant Airlines, Qantas Link, and Virgin Australia, offering links to Brisbane and Sunshine Coast. Emerald also has regular visits from the Australian Royal Flying Doctor Service. Now, Orbx renderization of Emerald Airport features high attention to detail in all aspects, highly detailed modeling throughout, terminal interiors, custom ground marking, custom lighting, detailed thermo formatting, vegetation, and so much more. Now, if you would like to purchase this airport for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 and 2024 from Orbx Direct, you can. It'll be linked in the description. It will cost you around about $29.09. This is obviously in Australian dollars, and I could give you a rough estimate of around about $16.37 in US dollars. Now, again, I'll leave that in the link in the description for you to buy. And that is it for today's Microsoft Flight Simulator news video. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed it. Yes, today's one was quite short, but we have more videos coming out, and the next video that will be coming out will be on Tuesday, speaking about the iniBuilds A350 again. And this is the second stream that they've done, so it's going to be a recap. It's not going to be that long as well, but it's just something that has a load of value in it. So probably you want to wait until Tuesday. So make sure that you subscribe and put that notification bell on so you don't miss when that video does come out. Anyway, this has been your boy Jay. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed it, and as always, happy flying.
DJ Choice on the beat.